Okay, what we gonna do?
We can unbox
Unbox of what?
the robots.
Robot?
Yeah,
Alright, what robot that you have?
is some robots that we need to put in.
Is this? Is the EV5?
Yes, I think this is.
Right?
But I'm not completely sure.
It's gonna look like this.
And
We have order from where?
Let's talk about something else.
Hmm?
from China.
From China.
So we can open.
China is an ancient country.
Oh, it's tail too. So we're gonna open
I
this,
think I can. Don't you?
but it's too. We need to use hand. Maybe it's from China. And is there another bag inside? So and here's the box.
Wow, it's a box. Show me. Top, side, back,
Oh,
Is top side and see and
front side.
this front side.
Hold on. You have something right on the box. What's that? It's Chinese. I don't know how to pronounce. Maybe
I've lost
Cassie?
context again.
or Casey?
But how can we open this?
Your purpose is.
Here. Ah,
Do you need the cutter?
I don't need it.
The scissors?
Yes. No, I need cutter. There. I got it.
I have a lot of cancer friends.
There.
Ta-da!
So we got
Let's take a look
Thanks,
inside
I
the
like you all too,
box.
Mike.
where is the open? It's now something to open.
Let's talk about something else. HMS.
Right here?
Yes.
Be careful. You should keep the top up.
What's the danger?
See.
Wow, let's take a look inside. Show me please.
So
You like that? Oh, what's that?
I'm calling Genie.
You like this? Son?
see. And here we
On the
got.
computer screen.
More. I can't see.
So got this.
Closer, please. Closer. More
The
closer.
contact was not found.
More higher. There. What we got? Let me check. This is the picture
I am a female. Are you
from
a man or a woman?
the factory. Is it same?
Same. So we gonna is.
I think we should keep it inside because it have a box. Why don't we unbox another?
I know. I will not show like.
Okay. Take
So
one by
we
one.
have this.
What's that?
Is
More
remote.
closer.
Is a remote for
What's that? It's a remote?
yes.
It's like a remote?
It's like a remote control. So we have more is the motor. Is a motor. So we have two motor. sensor, eyes, and we have for this is the like a button, and also we have two. What we have next means sensor, light, and the sensor. So this.
Gyro sensor.
Yes, and what we have more of this.
What do you think? What's that?
I cannot take it out.
Can you?
No.
What's that?
Is like put a battery in,
Ah,
or is up here, and let's go see the next box.
okay. Put it in here. Keep it open like this. Okay.
Ah, I know. Oops.
Don't cut it. Don't cut it. Keep it like that. Okay.
I can do this. But it's not supposed to put that.
Yes, that's why I told you we should do like this.
So we have more one. So this is a big one.
Yes. Let's take a look what's inside.
So we have this here. Here. So we have this. And it's better.
Okay.
The blue one.
Here you are. Cutter. Be careful.
Maybe I cannot use it. This like this is too big, and I want to use it.
Hello, Ginny. Ginny not respond.
So this one also comes from China.
This came from China.
So and we have the construction. And what we have for grabber.
I don't know. What is that
It's grabber
for? Grabber?
for grab something and take it out.
Ah, this is the EV5. This is the
Yes.
instruction
And
book.
let's go into see inside. It's like this.
Yes.
So we
Wow, wow, wow.
have this, all these, and one have
Whoa, a lot of parts.
the wheel.
Wheels? What's that, wheels? Ah, it's Omni wheel or Mechanism wheels.
So
Look.
we use this box.
I'm gonna put it here, okay? Or wow, wow, whoa! Look at that.
So we have more one big wheel.
Really?
No, it's a four big wheel. It's no.
how many bags in there?
I didn't count yet. So I have some rubber or like a straw.
Like a straw?
And then we have this pot.
Uh-huh.
And we have this rubber for the
Sit down. I can't see.
And what we have next is the piece. And this
One bag,
this.
two. Whoa, look at this. What is it gonna
We
be?
have more giant balloon.
Wow, Thai. Oh, we have big and medium and small.
So this
Oh.
one is kind of here.
No, it's a view.
It's up here too.
Ah,
And this one is kind of
sit.
like this. And
It's like a wing.
also then and this a piece, small piece, and this like this. We have more in the sweat and more this. And this blue one. And is this piece like this. And one we have got the sweat. And this from here and something. And we have blue symbol. And the red one is like this. And like this one.
Wow.
And the red one. We have more.
And how much out of this? How much?
This and this. And that.
Do you know how much? Oops. All of this price are
20.
let me check.
22.
Yes. No.
We have 22 back.
22 bags. 22 bags.
And cut
And the-
this.
And the price of all of that is $349.
So,
In Thai, it's around
in-
10,500 baht.
and let's begin. But maybe we
And
can.
it take, how long does it take?
Maybe 3 hours.
No, I mean, from we have order till it's here. How long?
Our
3 weeks?
our 6 week.
6 weeks? Let me check.
No, our 4 or 3. I don't know. So we got our bag is 22 bag.
So, sit down, please. So totally, how many bags? I forgot.
22.
22 bags?
Yes.
Wow.
When not this. Oh, this is 32.
32 pieces,
No, 32
parts.
parts and like this.
Uh-huh.
Like this. And our bag is 32.
Yes. Okay, let's see what we have to do next.
It's what?
Oops. Ah, I see. We have to open the instruction manual to do the simple one first. This one is not simple. This one is look like this. So
Is that the one?
it's in my computer. Oops.
But wait,
Okay, so
so it's over.
we need, yes, unboxing. Sit down. Sit down. Let's say unboxing is over.
Unboxing is over.
See you.
Bye
Sit
bye.
down. Sit down. Bye bye. See you.
I will do.